Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Trickers World. We are back with a new video and today we are going to talk about the best Wi-Fi hotspot devices in India. So if you are planning to purchase a Wi-Fi hotspot device for yourself, then today's video is something that you should not miss, and we are going to discuss the features, specifications and all the details of the best Wi-Fi hotspot devices that you can purchase online and offline. So sit back and relax and let us go through all the best Wi-Fi hotspot devices that you can purchase for yourself in India. So what is actually a Wi-Fi hotspot device? A Wi-Fi hotspot device is usually a portable device that provides you with a high-speed internet connectivity on the go. The hotspot devices provide you with the 3G or 4G internet depending on the connection. Now that you have understood what a Wi-Fi hotspot device is, let us check out the best Wi-Fi hotspot devices that you can purchase in India. The first one that we are looking at is Airtel 4G hotspot. The features of this hotspot device is that it is compatible with postpaid and prepaid SIM cards. Up to 10 Wi-Fi enabled devices can be connected at the same time. It is portable with a 6-hour battery backup. It does not require any installation and it comes with batteries and cables. It has an average charge time of 2 hours and it comes with a warranty of 1 year. So let us now look at the next Wi-Fi hotspot device. We are now looking at JioFi M2s 4G hotspot. The features are it can provide a download speed of 150 Mbps and an upload speed of 50 Mbps. With Jio Voice app, HD video and voice calling, video conferencing are also possible. Up to 10 Wi-Fi enabled devices can be connected. It supports a 6-hour surf time with 2300 mAh battery backup. It comes with a 1-year warranty and one USB tethering is also supported with this device. Next we look at Alcatel MW40CJ LTE hotspot device. This hotspot device supports all 4G and 3G SIM cards. It provides a battery backup of 1800 mAh. This Wi-Fi hotspot device has a warranty of 1 year and it provides one slot for a memory card and it weighs 181 grams. So the next Wi-Fi hotspot device that we are going to review is Reliance WD670 Wi-Fi hotspot device. This supports only 4G internet connectivity. Up to 31 Wi-Fi users can be connected with this device at the same time. It weighs only 104 grams and it works with lithium polymer batteries which are included with the package. It provides a data transfer rate of 150 Mbps. So the next Wi-Fi hotspot device in our list is Huawei E5577CS Wi-Fi hotspot device. This supports all SIM cards and it provides a working time of 6 hours. Up to 10 Wi-Fi enabled devices can be connected at the same time. It is suitable for both home and workplaces and it provides a download speed of 150 Mbps. The weight of this Wi-Fi hotspot device is around 120 grams. So this was all from our side on today's video on the best Wi-Fi hotspot devices. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video then please share this with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Trickers World. We will be back with a new video on a new topic. Till then, goodbye.